Spiff allows users to earn and manage funds, but the real value comes when you withdraw your money smoothly and securely. The best way to withdraw money from Spiff starts with understanding the platform's approved withdrawal method and avoiding unnecessary fees or delays. First, ensure your Spiff account is fully verified. Verification is not optional if you want fast withdrawals. A verified account reduces processing time and prevents failed transactions. Once verified, link a valid withdrawal destination, usually a bank account or support a digital wallet that matches your account name. Name mismatches are one of the most common reasons withdrawals get stuck. When you are ready to withdraw, go straight to the withdrawal or cash out section of the app. Enter the amount you want to withdraw in dollars and double-check it before confirming. Always leave a small balance if Spiff charges a fixed transaction fee, so your withdrawal does not fail due to insufficient funds. For example, if your balance is $105 and the fee is $5, withdrawing $100 is safer than attempting the full amount. Timing also matters. Withdraw during Spiff's normal processing hours. Requests made during peak traffic or system maintenance often take longer. Weekdays generally process faster than weekends. If Spiff offers multiple withdrawal options, choose the one with the shortest processing time, even if the fee is slightly higher. Speed and certainty are usually worth more than saving a few dollars. Security is critical. Avoid public Wi-Fi when withdrawing funds and never share your withdrawal confirmation code. After submitting your request, keep the transaction ID until the money reflects in your account. Most successful withdrawals are completed within the stated time frame when all details are correct. Following this approach helps you withdraw your money from Spiff efficiently, reduce delays, and receive your dollars without unnecessary stress.